Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here today to share with you, I did a Aliexpress haul from the Piggy Store. That's the name of the store, I fool you not. It's called Piggy Store. And I got quite a few things. Some things I've already cut some samples out of. I think only one thing I didn't get to play with yet. So I am going to share them with you. They're dies. Yeah, they're all die cuts. And so let's see. So the first one I got is this die set here. And I received some flowers from one of my crafty friends that were this shape. And so I looked for the die because I loved the flowers I received. And so here are just some of the... So that's how it comes out. With all the layers. I added some foam in between some of the layers, and then there's also the leaves, the dies for the leaves, and so I have a few of those that I cut out as well. So yeah, this is from, like I said, the Piggy Store. I like their dies, so they cut very well. Yeah, and they're substantial. I don't feel like they're gonna bend too much. Here's another one. This is like a layered hibiscus, and it came with some palm fronds and leaves as well. But that's the die there. And then, so these are the leaves it cuts out. And then this is the flower layered. So it has 4 different layers, and then the stamen would be the 5th layer. But oh, sorry, was it all like washed out? So there it is. But it's a cute flower. There you go. And the leaves, like I said. So that was another die I received. And then I bought this background die there, and it makes this cut, and I just did some ink blending on the back card, and then I placed this background over it. I cut in purple and I placed it over the background, and I tried to put colors like where I thought the flower was gonna be, and the green where I thought the leaf was gonna be, but I like it. It came all beautiful. So yeah, that's ready to just add on top of a card. Then I also, okay, I got these, but I'm having issues. I'm gonna come back to these. So hopefully if any of you have any of these dies, that you stick around so you can help me out. But I have those. Here's another background die that I purchased, and that is the die there. And you know, see, it's a big size, bigger than my hand. I think it is 5.5 by 5.5 by 4.5. That's the size. And then here's the background there. So I love how that one turned out as well. And then I also got another layering die. Oh, they're sticking. So this is the die. 3 different pieces. And even though it's together, they cut separately. So the flowers are not all together. They come separate. And here's the 3 different flowers that it cuts out, and all its layers. So yeah, beautiful, huh? You can just collage this on a card front, add a sentiment, and you're good. Even just using 1 flower for each card. You could get 3 cards out of this. but beautiful. So I got that die there. And then I did receive this die, but I haven't played with it yet. It's another layering die. I think, are these irises? I think it's an iris. But yeah, so I'll be making something with some cards probably with this and sharing it with you guys. But yeah, so this, oh my gosh. These are different types of rosettes, different shape rosettes. And I've looked and I've searched for like someone's tutorial, or if somebody got one of these that they put it together. But the die is just sewed like this, and I got 2 extra so that I could run them through the, you know, the die machine a lot faster. So I could, what is it? Like assembly line type of thing. But I can't figure them out. So the one I did kind of figure out, but it's off. Like it should be down here, but this should be up. Do you see what I mean? I don't know. From the camera, it looks perfect, but it's not. It's not. You can see that it's like right there and right there. The folds are different. And that one was this die here. So if I can figure it out, I got frustrated, so I stopped. I tried a few times actually. So I'm here to ask for help from my community. If you guys have these dies, or you know how they work, or you've seen a tutorial, you can point me in that direction. I would surely appreciate it. So that was my little Piggy Store Ali haul. And so hope you guys are having a crafty day. For more videos like these, see here. And until my next video, shakas!